Good morning, teacher. My name is Janet Hernandez Aguilar. I am studying agroforestry engineering. Present slide. My project as professional. When I started studying agroforestry engineering, I realized the importance of focusing on geographic information system, so useful when making a georeference in the area to be evaluated. Every day you strive to make my goals and be able to provide well-being to my family. When my project becomes a reality, I will enjoy well-deserved vacations with my family. My business is the idea of implementing organic products in spectacular and also represents economic for farmers. Being by the side of all lovers honest is the and reward for so much effort of work for years. Thank you. Bye bye.